Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to talk about the extra accessories that do not come with a Thermomix, so you get to know them. Let's do it. A Thermomix TM6 comes with the accessories you need to cook. The Varoma, the simmering basket, the butterfly, the splash guard, and of course, the spatula. Those are enough to cook the recipes that come in Cook I Do. But over the years, Thermomix has come up with some extra accessories that make your life easier. I always say that 95% of the times, they're not essential for your recipes, but they are very nice to have. These extra accessories are the cutter, the Spiralizer, the blade cover and peeler, and the sensor. And of course, I have a video for each one of them. I will include the links at the end. The cutter. It will help you cut veggies into slices or into shreds. Let's look at a few highlights. So now we're going to put the bowl right here. Fits perfectly like that. You see? Now we're going to put the cover. We are going to slice, so that's the one that we choose. So we're gonna do slicing, and I want to choose thick right now. They're thick. Let me get the carrot first. We're going to click thin. Oops, thin right there. Let me put it through the small hole. It goes slower because it's cutting in thin slices. Now we have thin slices. Let me show you right there. This time we're going to grate. We're gonna go to grating. Let's get a carrot and let's make it into little strings. Let's go for thick first. Whee! Here we have thick strings or thick parts. And this time we're going to go for thin, again with a carrot. And let's see what we have. Oh my goodness, this one is too cute. This cutie right here. This is the perfect grated carrot salad right here. The cutter right here, this is what it did. Ta-da! The Spiralizer is an add-on for the cutter. It will help you cut veggies into spirals, either flat or in strings. Let's look at a few highlights. Now we have the bowl of the cutter, we have the lid of the cutter, and obviously, always, you'll need the shaft. So let's put the shaft first in the Thermomix, and now we're going to build our cover. We're going to get that going in there, making sure that the blade is on that side. And now is when we can put the bowl right here. It's very easy. Yep. There you go. All right, with the Spiralizer, we're going to get little spirals in two different shapes. I have to go to grating mode, and I believe I need to use the thick one. Thick right here, and let's go for it. All right, one sec. It's going. The result right here. Oh, look at the spirals. Let's see what blade number 1 does. All right, and let's go for it. Ta-da! Look at this. Ta-da! Let's celebrate that we have an amazing Spiralizer. Woohoo! The blade cover and peeler. It will help you peel potatoes, root vegetables, and even boiled eggs. Let's look at a few highlights. Swipe, and then you look for the mode, and here we have the peeler. Let's put the water first. Cover it. Let me go back to my mode. So the peeler mode. So I'm going to come back in 4 minutes. Bye-bye.
A few minutes later.
Let me rinse this really quick. It's perfectly peeled. You see? That was easy. Let's peel garlic. I see the half liter now. And now we're going to put all this garlic. Go for it. Thermomix.
A few moments later.
It looks very peeled. Rinse. Perfectly peeled garlic. You see right there? So here we have 3 boiled eggs. Let's do it. And this time, instead of using the peeler mode, we're going to come here. There we go. Oh my goodness, yes! Ta-da-da-da-da. Let me show you. These 2 are perfectly peeled eggs. And this one, like I said, is mostly peeled, but I have to finish a few of them. But you see how the peel is still there, that it helps you? All right, so we did 3 tests today. Potatoes, garlic, and boiled eggs. The sensor. It's a cooking thermometer that is linked to your phone and your Thermomix, so you can see when your chicken, meat, fish, cake, or bread is ready. Let's look at a few highlights. So, what do we do when we first receive the sensor? It's very easy. Remove the protective film from the battery compartment and let it charge for 2 hours before use. In your Thermomix, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled in your settings. Then, pair your sensor to it. And on your phone, download the app called Cooking Center. It's free, and link it as well. Let's see it in action. Right here, I'm cooking a banana bread, and I'm at the point where I need to put the batter in the oven. I'm going to choose sensor here. I'm going to insert the sensor using the base holder, like this, and now I'm going to click send. And it's working. Now I can put the batter in the oven, leave the charger close to it, check my phone, yes, it's linked, so I can walk away. Woohoo! See, it's calculating the time it's going to take. it's letting me know I have 1 minute left. The kitchen smells amazing. Careful, when you remove the sensor, it's hot. Let it rest somewhere. I'm going to let the cake rest for a bit as well.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're back. Let's open and see. Ooh, so soft and so good. Okay, so now you know all about the 4 extra accessories. If more come up in the future, I will add them as a related video at the end. People ask me all the time, what else should I buy when I get a Thermomix? My answer is, well, it depends. Do you bake a lot? Then the sensor. Do you make a lot of salads and work with a lot of veggies? Then the cutter. And in general, because it's more affordable and because it has an extra function, if anything, I do recommend the blade cover and peeler, because when you use it as a blade cover, it is needed for slow cooking and the sous-vide mode. If the offer you have this month includes any of these items, then I am glad that you found this video. I hope I was able to help a little bit. I will leave the links to each of the long videos below in case you would like to watch the full version of any of them. And another question you may have, will all of these items work for the TM7 when it's released? Yes, all but one. The cutter is the only one that will not work for the TM7 because of the way that the lid of the bowl closes. So they will design a new cutter for the TM7. The rest of the items will work for both. Even the current Spiralizer will be able to attach to the new cutter version. Would you like to know more about this month's offers or options? Please click in my link. You will find more information, a free shipping link, a calendar to book a free meeting with me if you have questions or need a demo, etc. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much.